Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and as part of Excel macro video series. So we have already covered introduction to Excel macros, message boxes, range functionality, recording. So in this series, we are going to learn how to formatting the Excel data by using recorder or programming knowledge. So let's get started. So before start the session, please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. That's why you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video or series on Excel macros. Okay, so let's get started. So let me open an Excel file. This is my Excel file. I'll try to enter some data and I want to format that data by using Excel functionality. Let's see. So let me go to developer tab and let me open the Microsoft Visual Basic Editor application. So here I have already predefined module and code as well. So what I'll do, I'll just delete this existing code and let me write formatting functionality. So let me delete this one. Let me save the Excel file. And now I'll try to record the session. So we have already covered how to record a session and how to utilize the recording code for a automation. So let me go to record button and let me click on record. Once you click on record button, it will it required few function details like macro name, shortcut key, and where do you want to store and description. So shortcut key description is optional. So let me click on OK. So it will automatically generate a module one and macro one. So whatever the functionality here we are going to perform, it will automatically generate the code. So today we are going to learn formatting. So let's suppose I want to write some data in the Excel file and I want to format as well. I want to format the Excel file info. So let me enter ID, name, salary. These are all the key fields. I want to create a table, something like in a table format. So let me choose all borders, and here I want to enter some data. In the right hand side, you can see the data is automatically generating. So the code is automatically generating. So here I will enter 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. In the right hand side, you can see automatically data is also generating. Name, Modi, Jagan, Asia, India. So even I'll enter salary something like 20. So I have entered something details also I have entered. Okay. So let me delete this one. Excel is not responding, so let's wait for some time. So what I'll do some formatting for headers. Let me choose bold and background color as light blue, and then foreground color as white, something like that. So let me stop recording. Let me go to developer tab and let me stop recording. So here we can see bot generated code. So this is Microsoft Visual Basic Editor developer edited code. So here it is entering the column headers, and it is performing some table or operation formatting, and it is going to enter some data values fields, and finally it is applying the some color format as a theme color, you know color index, theme color, something like that. So what we will do, we'll just go to, this is how we can format the Excel macro file. What we'll do, we'll just delete this data, and now we'll try to run this process. So let me click on run. So here you can see the data is automatically generated in the same format of indexes, color, coding, headers, bold, tabular format, something like that. So this is how you can format the Excel macro file by using recorder. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. So these are all the basic fundamentals. We are going to cover advanced topics in Excel macros. Thank you.